How to fix messages problem. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do to fix the messages is go into the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now right here you will find all the apps that you have. So what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram. Click right here on permissions. Make sure to enable all these permissions here. Go back. Click on this storage here. Click on clear data and clear cache. And now open the Play Store. Search for Instagram and update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.